Welcome to Code Station.
Hey guys, welcome back to Code Station again. I know you all may be waiting for us because I am uploading this video after a long. Sorry for that. But let's not waste time and get started with our today's topic. So our today's topic is relational operators in C. But before starting this video, we will have a quick recap of what we have done in our previous video. So in our last video, we have seen what are operators and operands along with what are arithmetic operators and the various arithmetic operators available in C. So I suggest that you all should first watch our previous video before continuing our current video. So let's get started. These are the types of operators which are available in C. In our last video, as I said earlier, we have covered what are arithmetic operators, and today we will be seeing relational operators. So as per definition, relational operators test relations between two operands, which means relational operators compares values and determine their relationship. Besides this, they also play a crucial role in decision making and in control flow in C. They include: first is greater than, lesser than, inequality, greater than equal to, lesser than equal to, and equality operators. So these are the types which are included in the relational operators. Now we will have a quick demonstration of these all operators. So this is our VS Code and we will be starting with some simple examples. Okay, so this is our VS Code and we will be starting with some simple examples. So at first we will be declaring two variables. Let's take variable a, integer a is equal to 10. We will be storing the value 10, and in our second variable, which is b, we will be storing value 5. Both are of integer data type. And for result, we will be creating one more variable which is c, and we will be comparing our two operands which are a and b and storing the result in our c variable. So at first we will be taking the greater than operator. For this I will be writing here a greater than symbol b. So our answer should be a is actually greater than b because a stores 10 and 10 is greater than 5. So ideally our answer is a. So now how we will be knowing that the result is true? Usually in programming languages, we have two numbers which is 0 and 1. The number 0 is represented for false and the number 1 is actually represented for true. So after comparing, if the result is true, if a is greater than b, then the number 1 which is true will be stored in the c variable, and if it is false, which is not, then it will store the number 0 in c. For this, we will be printing our c variable to know what's the result. Now let's execute our program and check the result. Here we are getting 1, which means a is greater than b. That is, the value 10 is greater than value b, which is 5. Now, moving forward, we will take our next operator, which is less than. So in this, we will be seeing that is a less than b, which is not, because a is 10 and a is greater than b, so this condition is actually false. So the number 0 should be stored in c. Let's check what we get the result. I'll be first saving our program and now we will execute it. Here you can see we are getting the result as 0, which means a is not less than b. Okay, 0 means false, so a is not less than b. Now moving forward, we have our third operator, which is less than equal to. So in less than equal to, it first checks that A is less than or equal to B. The condition will be correct if A is less than B or A is equal to B. And both of these conditions are actually false. So I think you may know the answers which is to be stored in our variable C, which is 0. Because A is neither less than B and it is not even equal to B. So we will execute and see. We are getting our output as 0, which means A is neither less than B nor it is equal to B. So now we will be moving to our next operator, which is greater than equal to. So in this operator, we have our expression, which is A greater than or equal to B. So I think that you may all know the answer, but let's first check this. In this, actually the condition is divided into two parts. The first is A greater than B, and the second is A equal to B. So first we will always go with our first condition, which is greater than B. So the result is actually true because A is greater than B, 10 is greater than 5. So you may not need to check the next condition, which is equal to. But in case if A is not equal to B, in case if A is not equal to B, then you should go to the next condition and check whether A is equal to B. In this expression, A is actually greater than B, so it is not needed to check the next condition. So our answer is 1. We will be seeing it by executing our program. As I told you earlier, our answer is 1. The next we will be seeing is the equal to operator. The equal to operator actually compares and check whether the two operands or two values are equal or not. If they are equal, it returns 1. So now we will be comparing A and B. These both are our operands with our equal to operator, which is equality operator. As you can see, we are getting the result as 0 because A and B are not equal. 10 is not equal to 5 and therefore our answer is 0. If it was true, if A and B were supposed to be equal, then only we would have got the answer 1. The next we will be seeing is inequality operator. This is how the inequality operator looks like. This operator compares both operands' value and returns the result 1 if both are unequal. And if they are equal, then it will return 0. I am repeating again, if both the values of the operands are unequal, then it will return 1. Otherwise, it will return 0. Let's check what we get the answer. We get the answer 1. It is actually true because both the values are unequal. So here we end today's video and we will be seeing the next type of operator of C in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this C programming web series. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.